everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the Royal Court. I'm glad that you're joining the winning team. If you're returning, thank you so much for your support. Wondering why is this girl sitting in front of me with some ashy lips? Okay, tutorial, back to our regular scheduled program. I know I've been dropping vlogs for you guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying it. Let me know in the comments how you feel about the vlogs, if I should keep it going. But to get to the question as to why my lips are so crusty, like actually just, you know, showered and everything, and I decided to come to film. My lips are crusty because I want to try on this new lip gloss that I bought on camera. So I've actually been holding my lips hostage like this so that I could try it on camera. It is the Too Faced Lip Injection Ultimate Lip Plumper. It has claims to plump your lips to make it seem like you have lip fillers. You guys can see my lips. Let me come up close for y'all. She's cute, she's a little dry. So this is supposed to make me look like I have lip fillers. So let's try it on, you know. Okay, so it's kind of getting a little bit spicy. Like it's kind of like peppering my lips a little bit. The reaction is happening. It kind of hurts a little bit, so I don't know. Hopefully my lips don't fall off after this. I see my lips getting a bit plump. I'm gonna put the before here and you guys can see the after. She's given Claremont twins. Of course, to start, we're gonna start with some skin prep. First, you wanna start with your moisturizer, and today we got Jergens. I actually use Jergens on my face. I'm not ashamed. All you skincare warriors, you guys cannot scare me. I use Jergens, okay? I don't have no expensive skin lotion. Like, I tried it all. And Jergens works for me. For my oil, I don't have any skin oils. I'm just gonna use my baby oil. Always important to use a face oil when you're prepping to do your makeup. Mix the canvas for application ready. So if you touch your face after that, you can kind of feel how it bounces back. That's how you want your skin to feel. So today there's also something new that I want to try. This is called the Fast Firm Fill and Plumping Treatment from Too Faced. Yeah, so let's read the claims on this. Okay, so this claims that primes, it visibly fills, and it volumizes your face, meaning it makes your face kind of plump. It also says that it gives you a facelift over time. This is some hefty claims. It's called a luxury face plumping primer. So this is the package. This is what it came in. Let me put it on. There we go. It's really pretty. It's really pink. Y'all know how I feel about my pretty pink things. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I'm just gonna shake now. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. It has some hefty claims, so let's see if it fills out. Let me come closer so you guys can see my pores. That's me right there. It says it fills out, so that means all my wrinkles, all my lines should be gone before I put on my foundation, like right here. Let me see if it really fills out. I don't know if it's over time or if it's instantly. If it's anything like this lip gloss I just tried on, this hasn't done anything for me to write home about. Maybe it's an over time thing. Does my skin feel plump? I want to say yes, but I feel like it feels the same as when I put face oil and face cream on, so it's nothing to write home about, like I said. Yeah. So what I wanted to talk to you guys today is about Lent. And so Lenten season is a 40-day fast right before Easter. Christians normally celebrate this 40 days before Easter, and it's a good way to kind of sacrifice some things, remembering the sacrifice that Jesus made for us, abstaining from a couple things just to show dedication and also to realign yourself with God. So So for Lent this season, I gave up social media. I haven't been on social media since like ending of November, December. I haven't been on Instagram, but this time I deleted all my social media, including Snapchat, because I was still using Snapchat. So I deleted that as well. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm still on TikTok because your girl's a bit addicted to. Yeah, I haven't given up TikTok totally, but what I have done is that I'm fasting from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I don't do anything outside of work, school, anything that doesn't have to do with bettering myself. I don't do it until after 6, and even then, by the time I get to 6, I have other things I have to do that I'm barely on it anymore. So the fast has been helpful with keeping me away from my TikTok addiction, I would say. I'm here to tell you guys that starting late is not a problem when it comes to serving God. Like, there's a parable in Matthew's chapter 20, I believe, verse 1 through 16. It's about a man who owns a vineyard that was looking for workers. And so the first group of people that he got to work on the vineyard, he asked them like, can you come work and I will give you, 1 penny to work. 1 penny back in the day was a lot. And they agreed. And then he went during lunchtime, got more people, evening time got more people, and up to the 11th hour, the vine owner went to get more people. The people that he got towards the end, he just told them like, I'll pay you what's fair. And they all agreed to come work for him, even though they didn't get there on time. Vine worker at the end of the day gave everybody the same amount of money. And so the people that he hired first, they were kind of upset because they're like, yo, like we've been working all day and you paying these people the same amount of money that you're paying us. Like, that's not fair. The winery owner basically said like, oh, did you not agree to the amount that I was gonna pay you? I told you to come work here all day and you said that a penny was enough. If you wanted more, you could have negotiated more. However, it's also my penny to give. It's my penny to give, and I can give how I see fit. So essentially what Jesus was trying to tell us, like, it doesn't matter what time anybody comes to him. It doesn't matter. His blessings, everyone's blessing is still the same. Like, your amount of blessing that you're gonna get is still your amount of blessing. It doesn't change. Whether you've been serving him since your mother's womb, you are doing devotionals, or whether you started serving him today, or whether it is that you came to start Lent later than other people, God is still gonna bless you the same. Like, it's not going to change because you found him at a later stage than anybody else, because what he has in store for us does not expire. He got a blessing bank for us, and it never expires. Like, it's his blessings. Like, he can do as he see fit, and if he wants to hold it onto your 11th hour, you decide, you're saying, oh, I want to praise God now, he's going to bless you. And I think this is a very important parable for both sides, because some people feel like because they've been serving God all their lives, like, you know how some people like, oh my God, like, I've been good this whole time, like, where's my blessing? Why is it that God blessed this person and not me? And I believe that parable was just to show us that you're gonna get your blessing, but that doesn't change what God has in store for anybody. Just because you came to God does not automatically mean that you get more than everybody else. And by the way, guys, I just want to say that lip plumping lip gloss is doing its thing, or is it just me? So far, this is the base we have. I'm feeling a little bit new things today. I've always wanted to get my hands on the Mercier powder. So I have it. I finally got my hands on it. I only got like a mini size because they didn't have the big size yet. And I got it in the shade translucent because, I don't know, I really don't like powders with like color payoffs on them. I like to know that what my skin looks like, what it looks like now, is what it looks like when I dust off that powder, except maybe more matte. So I'm gonna be taking that concealer beauty blender, gonna be dipping into that powder like so. Let me show you guys, dipping into that powder, and then I'm going to be rolling that. You want to roll it so you can get like an even spread. kind of roll it so it's kind of even. And I'm going to press this into my skin like such. We're not baking quite yet. You can press it on your eye if you want. I'm just gonna press it to set my face. There we go. Do you see that? Do you see that, ladies and gentlemen? Just press it into your skin. Don't worry about baking yet. Yeah. So the reason why I told that story is just to let you guys know that if you haven't started fasting or given up anything, you don't have to fast from 66 like me. That's just something I have to do for my faith, because I know what my relationship with God like, and sometimes I need to go a little bit more extra mile for myself. I'm in a betterment journey, so I'm doing things that benefits the woman that I want to become, not the woman that I am. And it's been very helpful, also very difficult, because I'm like, the woman that I want to become. If you haven't started fasting yet, I don't think it's too late. You can start, you could just give up something. Social media is always a good way to start. This is not, I mean, you're doing it for the glory of God, but if you fast or not, it's not going to, like, it's not going to make God bigger, but it's for you. And I think this is just a time for us to self-reflect on things that we want to change, on things that we want to better in our personal lives and in our character as well. Like, if you find yourself procrastinating a lot and you find yourself always on social media, maybe the first step is just deleting social media for the next couple of days left. And yeah, so if it's something that you feel like would help you, maybe you're spending too much time talking to someone that you shouldn't be talking to, maybe this is the time to kind of like pull back and for yourself, you know, pull back for yourself and kind of identify the things that are taking your time, not only from God, but from bettering you. Get on it, y'all. I'm gonna be putting the devotional that I use from my church. You can use the devotional. It's just like, it has a little prayer for a place to start, and I'll link it below. If you want, you can ask me to in the comments if you want like a good sermon to start from, just to, you know, just have a sermon. You can let me know, and I will find a good sermon that introduces you to LENT, and I will also be linking it below. I'm gonna be going ahead and patting that in. So yeah, that's the beauty of LENT. This is the time, ladies. Like, live for the woman that you want to become, not the woman that you are, okay? Don't be too comfortable living for the woman you are. Live for the woman that you want to become. I guarantee you, it's going to show so many changes in your life that you never thought was possible. Speaking of the woman that you want to become, another thing I wanted to talk about today is Kim Kardashian West. If you're on social media, you've seen the clip of Lil Kimmy Cakes telling people to get their ass up and work. If you haven't seen the clip, I'm gonna be playing the clip so you guys can kind of see, because I know not everybody is on social media. So I'm gonna play the clip so y'all can kind of see why people were so upset with her for what she said.
I have the best advice for women in business. Get your fucking ass up and work.
I still don't know why she said what she said. I don't know what she thought she was gonna garner. I feel like even, like, everybody has some sort of privilege, unless those who are very much less fortunate. But most people I want to say have some sort of privilege where they kind of don't understand people who are less fortunate than them, what they have to experience and what they have to go through. Now, Kim K had a very rich father who left them a very hefty trust fund. And that doesn't take away from her hard work, but you have to admit that sometimes it's not only hard work that gets you to the destination. Sometimes daddy's money is good. Sometimes support from your family is good. Sometimes having a mom who has time and resources to be your manager is also good. Because I'm pretty sure if all our mothers had the time and had the resources, we would be being managed, okay? And then now some of their housekeepers are like suing them, and it's like they're suing them for not paying them. And these are the people that are telling people to get their hands up and work. Like, do you know how many business women I know that have been working their butt off from time, and they don't have the opportunity or exposures that you have? So of course they're not gonna make it as big as you, as fast as you did, because they have to actually work for their resources. And I'm a person who believes in generational wealth. So in all things, I want my kids to have the privilege of the Kardashians. You feel me? I want my kids to be set up, but I also want my kids to understand that not everyone has it like you. You know, some people have to work twice as hard to get where you are. I'm gonna be taking a precise brush and just kind of picking up any excess that's on my lid. So Kim, I'll definitely want to ask her, like, why, sis? Like, was it all necessary? Was it like all worth it? Was it really worth it? Like, you saying all of that, knowing that you owe people money, like, that's kind of brave of you, don't you think? You know, that's all I would want to ask her, to be quite honest, because people be mad brave. There we go. It's like a halo effect. So I'm gonna be putting on bottom lashes today. I don't know if I'm gonna put it as part on camera or not, but this is what they look like. This is my Ardell short lashes. Y'all always coming for me talking about something. I'm not telling you guys what I'm using. I'm trying, okay. Okay guys, bottom and top lashes are on. Going in with that shade right here and that eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze. Okay guys, so for my lips, I'm gonna be taking the Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade So Rare. So I'm gonna be going ahead and applying that, lining my lips with that. Are fully lined and they look so luscious. Like, I'm feeling that Plum lip gloss. Okay guys, this is the final look. This looks so good. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Okay, let's do some review on the things I did. I don't know how I feel about the Mercier yet. I have to use it a couple times. It does give like a very smooth on the eye, like I have going. That little Plumping primer that we used in the beginning didn't fill out all my fine lines. I don't know what it did to my skin, but I didn't get any tingly reaction like the lip gloss. The lip gloss worked. So, period. I love this look. Let me guys know what your favorite part about this look is. Nah, this look is popping. I haven't played in makeup in a long time, and I'm glad that I played with it today. You feel me? Yeah, I would not change anything that I did about this. Maybe I would make the liner on the lips just a tad bit darker, but I think this is fine as well. So yeah, that's what I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about today, about the Lenten season, that little Kardashian fiasco. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you can, share my video, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.